Hey, don't get stuck serving up the same old Rice Krispie squares. In just a few minutes, you can take your Rice Krispie treats from party lame to party fame. Today, I'm going to teach you just a couple tips to make it that much better. I'll see you in the kitchen. Instead of cutting this into squares, I'm going to cut it into our teacher's name because we just finished the year and her name is Lisa. And so I'm going to look at the square that I have here and I'm literally just going to take a knife and cut all along the edge. Now what you want to make sure that you do is that you let your marshmallows and your Rice Krispie treats harden enough. If you don't let them harden, it makes it a little more difficult. Now I do think this is a time you can add different fonts if you like. And I know that may sound crazy. If you don't know good fonts, you don't have to know anything. You just need to know how to spell their name. So look that up. I'm spacing it out. You can even print out letters and lay it on there. But again, that might take too much time and I don't think it's needed. Who doesn't love a good Rice Krispie treat? So here's where we're going to go. I'm going to use my cutting board to come out and set this letter out. And then at this point, you can decide how you want to bring all of these out. Another option is if you don't put it in the tray, you can just pour directly onto your cutting board. I do that a lot when I'm sculpting letters. So what we're going to do is you're going to have a lot of excess cake on the edges. We'll be able to sculpt it into squares or to even be a little bit more creative with it if you want. So about have the L out. And the good news is the teacher gets to pick which letter she wants. So I have Lisa and you're going, okay, where is the top to the I? And what I want to do at the top to the I, as you'll see that right here, we have Lisa. And what I want to do is I'm going to grab this star. It's just a cookie cutter. You can grab any cookie cutter. And I'm going to come back over to my cake. And I'm going to put it in the top. And I'm just going to press down like a champ. Right there. Excuse me. And when I press down, it's going to give me the star that I'm looking for. And that'll just be the top to the I, which is a whole lot better than a circle. So you're literally taking your Rice Krispie cake and you're becoming a champ with the name Lisa. So within just a couple of minutes, you can spell the name Lisa, you can spell your teacher's name, you can do the school mascot, you can do your football team, whatever that looks like. And this will make it that much better. And now when you come back to the rest of your cake, you can do a billion things. You can do bite size. If you want to do bite size, which I think is super underrated at parties. Because honestly, a lot of people just want a bite size, want to grab it, don't want to carry the stickiness all the way around. You can put toothpicks in these at the party and they can pick them up by toothpick if they don't want to use their hands. And so what's happening is you can build a circle all the way around. If you have a tray that you want to put them on and take them, or even you could probably fit this on a large plate. I've even taken my cutting board and served it up on my cutting board. Show up making Lisa feel special. Make her feel like a star. Hey, thanks for hanging out with the Krispy King today. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and smash the bell so you don't miss the next Krispy King creation. And remember, we all deserve to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. I'll see you in the kitchen.